ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
Menteri Rangba ka Jila Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pli ya ka Ophis Bathamai jongka Dmho Hanongpo menta ka sngi ka khandai trik unai lat arhajar arpsau ka jingtai ka ne ka dei ka bal apslam bha ka bal sedang na du snam arhajar arpui ha ka ni ka sngi pli lai don lang ka menteri badai pe ya ka tnat ka khoi ka khya ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo uba Meral Bonds em MLE ka nongpo u Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi u Dr. Angel Khardoj bat kiwe kinong tre menteri Rangba ka Jila Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula penpau ka jing kemen halo ka jing pendep jong ka ni ka project da ka penpau baya ka Ophis jong ka Dmho ka de ka mau jam ka kong san na ka benta ka ni ka than bat ka jing lot banchna ya ka ni ka yeng Ophis thamai ka long khat phra point sau kulur tingka.
The work started in 2021 and finally we are today completing it. This has been done, as you're aware, at a cost of 18.4 crores. But more importantly, apart from housing the district medical and health officials out here, this will also help in us ensuring that the trauma center, which is there in the district hospital, is also freed, and the manpower from there will finally shift here, and the trauma center also then can be made functional, which is something that people of Remoy district and the people of the headquarters, which is Nongpo, have been demanding and been asking that that particular trauma center be activated. Apart from that, you're aware that we have renovated many of the sub-centers and different PHCs, CHCs throughout the district and throughout the state. In fact, in the last many years, almost more than about 70 crores has been invested in about 148 facilities throughout the state to strengthen the overall infrastructure. I'm happy to also inform you that we have taken a decision that not only the administrative blocks but also the accommodation meant for the staff is also going to be given importance. We are going to start that work within this financial year itself, and many of the interior locations where we do not have enough staff accommodation and quarters, we will be sanctioning additional funds to create that necessary infrastructure and accommodation for our medical staff at the rural level. So that is also one thing that we are focusing on. We have also started a program where we are now strengthening the different district hospitals and the civil hospitals throughout the state. We have started with Shillong, Jowai and Tura as a pilot, and a lot of infrastructure and investment is being made in terms of basic infrastructure as well as machines and equipments are being invested in all the three locations, and we are hopeful that that will really ensure that the services in these three locations are up to the mark. And once that is done, we will start the second phase where the next level of or next set of district hospitals and civil hospitals will be taken up in a phase-wise manner.